I got into the practice of leaving a no-mow area around my backyard fence for wildflowers and pollinators. All has been fine until recently. I have noticed several holes around my house and backyard fence. I have not witnessed any kind of rodent, but I think I have voles. Do they eat wildflowers and their seeds? How do I get rid of them? I don't want them around my yard. And this is Shay in Hernando, Mississippi. Let's go back to this first sentence. There's something here in quotes, okay, that may answer the question for you. I am leaving a no-mow area. Guess who likes no-mow areas?
Voles.
Voles.
Voles. So what do you think, Joe?
Oh yeah.
No-mow, right?
She's creating. I mean, she's creating a perfect environment for the voles to live. She's not only giving them a no-mow area where it's not disturbed, so they can build their house and not having. But she's also letting wildflowers grow, so they have food.
Oh, they got a buffet.
They're
having a good time.
It's a perfect storm for a
having a good
vole.
time.
Yeah,
Right.
it's great.
So what do we do about the voles? So what does she do?
You change your no-mow area to a mow-mow area.
Okay.
Mow it more. I'd take it down. Yeah, if you don't want, you decide.
All right.
If you want the wildflowers, you're also going to get the wild critters. You're going to get the,
Okay.
I mean, you've got an ecosystem here. And if you, will quote, don't want the moles around my house. You don't want the moles.
The voles.
The voles.
Yeah,
The
don't want the
voles.
voles.
You don't want the voles.
Yeah, don't want the voles.
Take out the habitat. Take out the habitat if you can.
Wow.
And I'd say
Maybe introduce a snake.
they're probably coming in there too.
Yeah, control the voles with snakes. I have voles, and I recently just saw a little young yellow striped garden snake in my yard, and I'm like, oh, go eat the voles.
Yeah, go get the voles.
No.
But what are some other means to control the voles, though?
Oh, well, you can use the rodenticides, and you
Okay.
can use traps and things
Traps,
like
okay.
that. But you're not controlling them.
Huh.
You will be catching a few, and you will be killing a few. You'll be managing them maybe a little bit, but they're going to come back. You've got the habitat, you've got the resources, the food resources, and so they're going to come back. They'll move in there. They'll attract them. It's like, oh, there's a vacant room there. Come on, it's even got the tunnels already there.
How about that?
So, they'll be back. But, so instead of treating the symptom of the problem, treat the problem. And the problem is that no-mow area.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.